Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the midshipman in naranja orange. That is a really bright, strong orange color. This variant with a silver shield. It's a 2-color alox Swiss Army knife. On the back side we see already the cutout for the marlin spike sacking needle feature. In the middle we have the engraving plate. The tools for the midshipman are, from the bottom, from the right, is the marlin spike sacking needle feature. Then from the left side is the main blade. Then on top of that, also from left, is the saw blade. And then on top of that is the traditional opener layer, like we have it in the farmer Swiss Army knife and in the soldier as well. That knife was made for Christmas 2014 in a limited edition of 100 pieces. They all come in the traditional silver box from Victorinox. 10 pieces are packaged in a bigger cardboard box. What really is stunning about is that nice bright orange color together with the tool combination of the marlin spike and the limited edition of only 100 pieces. So that much about the naranja orange midshipman limited edition.